Giraffe is the tallest living terrestrial animal and the largest ruminant on Earth. Even newborn giraffe are taller than most humans. The giraffe is the tallest living animal, which is instantly recognizable by its exceptionally long neck. Fully grown adult males stand 15 to 19 feet tall, whereas females are shorter at 13 to 16 feet tall. Adult males weigh between 800 to 930 kilograms, while females weigh only 550 to 1,180 kilograms. Giraffes only need to drink once every few days. They don't drink much water. Most of their water comes from all the plants they eat. A giraffe's neck is too short to reach the ground. As a result, it has to awkwardly spread its front legs or kneel to reach the ground for a drink of water. The giraffe has the longest tail of any land mammal. Their tail can grow to be 8 feet long, including the tuft on the end. Male and female both have prominent horn-like structures called ossicones at the top of their head. Male giraffes use their ossicones as weapons during combat between males. Male giraffe normally have thicker ossicones that become bald on top, whereas female ossicones are often thin and tufted with hair. In males, their skulls become heavier and more club-like, helping them become more dominant in combat. The giraffe's eyes are located on both sides of the head. The giraffe's eyes give it good eyesight and a wide field of vision from its great height. Most suitable habitat for these animals is a dry, arid land. They inhabit grasslands, savannas, and open woodlands. The giraffe is native to many African countries, including Kenya, Cameroon, Chad, Niger, Uganda, Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Tanzania, Angola, and South Africa. The home range for a giraffe is between 8 and 50 square miles. A common problem, though, is that their natural habitat continues to be shrinking due to human activities, resulting in a smaller home range. As a result, their food sources are reduced. Giraffes eat mainly leaves and buds of shrubs and small trees that are easily in reach. They also feed on shrubs, grass and fruit. Giraffes eat mainly leaves and buds of shrubs and small trees that are easily in reach. They also feed on shrubs, grass and fruit. A giraffe eats around 34 kilograms of foliage daily but can survive on as little as 15 kilograms. Giraffes sleep far less than most mammals and spend nearly all of their time eating. Giraffes are usually found in groups that vary in size and composition according to ecological, temporal, and social factors. The number of giraffes in a group can range from 1 up to 50 individuals. However, they do not have strong social ties like other animal species, except the mothers with their offspring. Female groups are very common and they bond very well together. Young males also form groups. However, as they get older, males become more solitary but may also associate with female groups or in pairs. Particularly stable giraffe groups are those made of mothers and their young, which can last weeks or months. Mothers with calves will gather in nursery herds, moving or browsing together. Mothers in such a group may sometimes leave their calves with one female while they forage and drink elsewhere. Adult males play almost no role in raising the young, although they appear to have friendly interactions. Giraffes have high adult survival probability, and an unusually long lifespan compared to other ruminants, up to 38 years. Because of their size, eyesight and powerful kicks, adult giraffes are usually not subject to predation. Calves are much more vulnerable than adults and are also preyed on by leopards, cheetahs, Nile crocodiles, spotted hyenas and wild dogs. In 2016, giraffes were assessed as vulnerable from a conservation perspective by the UCAN. Estimates as of 2016 indicate there are approximately 97,500 members of giraffe in the wild. As of 2010, there were more than 1,600 in captivity at zoos. Protected areas like national parks provide important habitat and anti-poaching protection to giraffe populations. Giraffes are vital to keeping ecosystems in balance. Think of all the leaves that would go wasted if there were no giraffe to reach the top branches. Using their height and long necks, they eat the browse that others cannot reach, which promotes growth of forage and opens up areas for themselves and other smaller browsers to make use of. So by protecting Africa's giraffes, we are protecting other species too.